I hope you are doing great. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Same thing applies to catfish farming. A serious-minded catfish farmer should not wait until there is a disease outbreak in his or her farm before putting in place some preventive measures. In this video, I will share with you how we prevent our seeds from this disease outbreak. Diseases like bacteria, fungal infections, and other kinds of diseases. So I will show you guys the antibiotics we use. You can as well get these antibiotics. There are so many brands doing antibiotics for fish. Just visit any fish vet around you, tell them you want to buy fish antibiotics, they will sell to you and they would tell you how to make use of it. Buy it and apply it on your farm as well. This will help you reduce the risk of disease infection and the loss of your investments. So we've gotten our antibiotics. So this is our feed. This is 2 mm feed that we are using to feed our smaller fishes. So the prescription given to us by fish vet is to pour just a little, maybe half of this spoon, into our feed. That's okay because it's just a small feed. So you mix evenly. So after mixing, this is ready to be used. So you actually feed your fishes with it. It's as simple as that. Do this and prevent your fishes from this disease. This disease can make you lose on your investment if you don't put all these preventive measures in place. There are other preventive measures you can also put in place aside from these antibiotics. Preventive measures like making sure your water is always clean, regular daily change of water, and also installation of aeration. Aeration simply talks about adding oxygen to your water, especially at night, due to the excess presence of organic materials, that is waste feed, that are always present at night in your water. So you can also put that in place to help prevent against this disease. Just make sure you do these points I mentioned here, and success is already yours in this business. So that's about that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. And if you're on Twitter, we're on Twitter as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.